Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Windows Media Player and going to the library view so you can see your music and folders. Once done, confirm the files are supported formats like MP3 or WMA because incompatible files won't add. Now locate the songs using Music, Album, or a specific folder in the navigation pane. Select the first group of tracks you want. To speed it, use Shift-click for ranges or Control-click for individual picks, and then get ready to create a new playlist. Now create the playlist by clicking Create Playlist in the Playlist pane or choosing New Playlist from the File menu. Then drag and drop your selected tracks into that new playlist. You can also right-click a track and choose Add to Playlist. Once tracks are in, reorder them by dragging or remove items with Delete. Make sure to rename the playlist to something memorable and click Save or press Ctrl+S so the list is stored in the library and ready for playback or syncing. Finish by testing playback to ensure songs play in order. Toggle shuffle or repeat to check behavior. If you want the playlist on a phone or portable player, use sync or burn options to transfer the playlist and files. Make sure to save changes and close gracefully so settings stick. If a track is missing or shows an error, refresh the library or rescan folders and verify the file path hasn't changed. That fix resolves most issues with unavailable playlist items.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.